Welcome to Planeus. Workbench is a productive all-in-one utility tool that is tailor-made for your workers. Here, the workers receive up-to-date information on all the pending work steps and sequences. In Workbench, your workers can update the current state of work and report the data back to you. Workers can provide 4 types of feedback: yield, scrap, setup time, and disruption. Now, let's report yield and disruption. To report yield, simply enter the quantity and click Record. To report disruptions, first you need to add the cause of disruption in the configuration section. Only then you can see the cause of disruption shown here. Select the cause to report current disruption. It will immediately notify the planner about the disruption and causes the status to change. After the disruption is solved, simply click on the icon to change the status. In the Details tab, you will find everything about the task, including the related workflow, preceding and succeeding manufacturing processes. With Workbench, you now have the full control of your production plan. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to Planeus.